The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall here. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, I have a video to present to you where shows of a female that said that she's in the intensive care. And according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this female had caught the coronavirus, or you can say the COVID-19, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and this video that I'm going to share right about now, viewers and subscribers, I'm just going to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? And this female is basically trying to send a warning out there to each and everyone out there, alright? So take a look, listen, and observe.
Anyone? If anyone is thinking of taking any chances, just take a look at me. I'm in the intensive care unit. I can't breathe without this. They've had to sew that into my artery. I've got a cannula, another cannula, and a catheter. I'm actually 10 times better right now than what I was before. I don't even know, I've lost count of the days. If anyone still smokes, put the cigarettes down, because I'm telling you now, you need your fucking lungs. And please, none of you take any chances. I mean it, because if it gets really bad, then you're gonna end up here. Okay? Thank you for all your lovely messages. I really appreciate it. And my body is fighting this. I've not seen Richard, I've not seen the girls since Friday, and I'm just gonna fight this. So once again, don't take any chances.
Viewers and subscribers, you know what? Some of the times we can learn from other person's experiences in life. You see what I say? Me not gonna say mistake, because some of the times and a mistake persons out there making. Some of the times are just the experience, are just, things that just happen. You understand? So me not gonna say learn from person's mistake. But however, viewers and subscribers, it's good to think, you understand, and learn. You see me? And don't be too hard at hearing as well. You see me? You see it? This COVID-19 thing is no joke. You understand me? Prevention is better than cure. It's better you're safe than you're sorry. For each and everyone out there, just stay safe and try and see if you can do the right thing to avoid from catching this thing that is called the COVID-19, or I can say coronavirus. So when I say to you, just do the right thing, alright? Alright, so this is where I leave it, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?